Jordan Peterson is a Canadian clinical psychologist, cultural critic, and professor of psychology at the University of Toronto. He is known for his controversial views on a variety of topics, including political correctness, free speech, and social hierarchy. In this lecture, we will explore his ideas on social hierarchy and its importance in human societies. Social hierarchy refers to the arrangement of individuals or groups in a society based on their relative power, status, or authority. It is a common feature of human societies and can be observed in various forms, such as political systems, economic systems, and cultural systems. Social hierarchies are often characterized by a rigid and defined structure, with those at the top having more power and resources than those at the bottom. The concept of social hierarchy is not new and has been studied by many social scientists and anthropologists. It is believed that social hierarchy evolved as a way for human societies to organize and function effectively. Social hierarchy can serve to establish order and stability, promote cooperation, and provide a sense of purpose and meaning for individuals. However, it is also important to recognize that social hierarchy can also perpetuate inequality, injustice, and oppression. Power and dominance are key factors in shaping social hierarchy. Those at the top of a social hierarchy tend to have more power and control over resources and decision-making, while those at the bottom have less. Power and dominance can be achieved through various means, such as wealth, education, physical strength, or political influence. It is important to understand that power and dominance are not necessarily negative or positive. They can be used for good or for bad, and it depends on the individual or group who holds it. However, an imbalance of power and dominance can lead to negative consequences, such as oppression, discrimination, and exploitation. It is essential to be aware of power dynamics in relationships and society to ensure that they are fair and just. Social hierarchy can have significant impacts on individuals and society as a whole. For individuals, social hierarchy can affect mental and physical health, self-esteem, and overall well-being. People at the bottom of a social hierarchy may experience poverty, poor health care, and limited access to education and opportunities. On the other hand, people at the top may experience feelings of entitlement, disconnection, and lack of empathy. In society, social hierarchy can perpetuate inequality, injustice, and oppression. It can lead to discrimination, prejudice, and marginalization of certain groups of people. This can have far-reaching effects on society, such as economic inequality, lack of social mobility, and political instability. To address these issues, it is important to promote more equitable and just social hierarchies and to work towards creating a more equal and inclusive society. Navigating and understanding social hierarchy can be challenging, but there are strategies that can help. One strategy is to be aware of your own biases and prejudices, as they can influence how you perceive and interact with social hierarchy. It is also important to be aware of power dynamics in relationships and society, and to question them when they seem unfair or unjust. Another strategy is to actively work towards creating more equitable and just social hierarchies. This can include advocating for policies and programs that promote equality, such as education and job training programs for marginalized groups, or working to dismantle systems of oppression, such as racism and sexism. It is also crucial to support and uplift marginalized voices and perspectives. In this lecture, we have explored Jordan Peterson's ideas on social hierarchy and its importance in human societies. We have looked at the concept of social hierarchy, the role of power and dominance in shaping it, and the impact it can have on individuals and society. We have also discussed strategies for navigating and understanding social hierarchy, and ways to promote more equitable and just social hierarchies. Understanding social hierarchy is crucial for creating a more just and equal society, and it is important that we continue to reflect on our own experiences and perceptions of it.